Welcome back to Preyo Promo. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account step by step. If you want to break from social media or just want to disable your account temporarily, follow these easy instructions. Step 1. First, open Google Chrome on your phone or computer. Step 2. Now go to the Instagram website and log into your account. Step 3. Once logged in, tap on the 3 dots in the top corner. Step 4. From here, click on Settings. Step 5. Now scroll down and press Meta Account Center. Instagram and Facebook settings are managed together here. Step 6. Inside Account Center, select Personal Details. This section contains your main profile information. Step 7. Next, tap Account Ownership and Control. Step 8. Choose Deactivation or Deletion. Now Instagram will show options for managing your account status. Step 9. Now click on your account to proceed. Step 10. Select Deactivate Account. Step 11. Click Continue, and on the next page again, tap Continue. Step 12. Enter your Instagram password, then tap Continue one more time. This confirms that you are the real account owner. Step 13. Now select the reason. Just need a break. Then tap Continue. Step 14. Choose Don't Reactivate Automatically, then press Continue. This ensures your account stays deactivated until you return. Step 15. Finally, press Deactivate Account, and your Instagram account is now successfully deactivated and hidden from others. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more helpful tutorials every day. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.